Do you ever look at the fans you're about to install and just wish that there was an easier way? Like say just go and like click. Hey there, I'm Sarah from Thermaltake Australia, and allow me to introduce you to the SWAFAN EX, the fan that can do it all and look great while doing it. The star of the show, without a doubt, is the magnetic force quick connection design. The SWAFAN EX incorporates a magnetic connector design on the contact pins, which link all the fans together. This means that with of your fans, they're connected. No awkward locking or fitting mechanisms here. Additionally, the fans come with 3 signal cables, one of which you can simply snap onto one of the fans' pins. This then plugs into the SWAFAN EX control box, which powers all 3 of your fans. Coming in both 120mm and 140mm variants, versatility is the SWAFAN EX's middle name. Like their non-EX counterpart, these fans feature a swappable fan blade, with each pack coming with 3 additional reverse fan varieties. This means you can run these bad boys in any direction without having to sacrifice that gorgeous aesthetic. It also makes cleaning a breeze due to being able to pop out the fan blades from the frame itself. Of course, you also can't possibly ignore the magnificent RGB lighting too. Featuring 16.8 million color illumination, the options are boundless for customization and made even better by no longer having to worry about fan direction obstructing your gorgeous lighting display. You have a grand total of 2 individual RGB rings with 20 ultra bright addressable LEDs to work with. These can of course all be changed via our TT RGB Plus 2.0 or Neon Maker software. And lastly, on top of all that great stuff, the SWAFAN EXs just keep on giving. These fans have been fine-tuned for the best performance possible, able to perform amazingly both as a case cooler or on your radiator. The SWAFAN EX's blades are also designed for lower noise levels as well, keeping your PC both nice and quiet and cool as a cucumber to boot. So it's time to throw the cable ties away and grab yourself a pack of SWAFAN EXs for a clutter-free PC building experience. Coming with a ton of great features that ensure great performance and a sublime aesthetic, the SWAFAN EXs mean minimal effort and maximum magnificence. You will truly be magnetized by these remarkable fans. Thank you so much for watching the video today. If you did enjoy it, please feel free to give the video a like and pop any thoughts or questions you have in the comment section down below. But also check out our other SWAFAN EX content if you want to find out some more SWAFAN goodness. But we will see you in the next video. Goodbye. Now gaze into the SWAFAN. I will hypnotize you. Are you hypnotized? Ooh.